Welcome back to Brick Language and our new short series, Play, Build, Talk. This week we've been talking about turn taking. And today we're going to talk about how to use the Lego Builder app to make that even more understandable and interactive. We're going to try two different ways to use the Lego Builder app. First one is the simple approach, or the easiest and quickest approach. So you're going to use one phone, one tablet. You can download the Lego Builder app too. The other way to use the Lego Builder app is to use the multi-device approach. You have multiple devices, two or more, at the table, and that can be a phone, that can be a tablet, iPhone, whichever. Anything that can hold the Lego Builder app can all be used together to follow multi-step directions. When you're using the multiple devices, the Lego Builder app will actually switch turns for you. For example, right at the bottom of this instruction booklet is a QR code. You can scan that QR code, or you can type in the product number at the top of the Builder app right here, and it will pull up the directions. And that's what we're going to do today. I'm just going to type in the number. You can see you get the directions for the aircraft. So at the bottom, we can actually hit the Start Building button right here, and that will create a one device building instructions. Pick which build you want to do. This is a 3-in-1. So we're just going to start with the spaceship. That's the directions I have out here. And as you can see, it's now telling you you need to open all 3 of the bags and dump them out and sort them. And for more information about sorting, you can go back and check out my sorting video. Once they're sorted, you just hit your arrow down here and the build will start. On the right-hand side here, or on your left, you'll see that the pieces you need to gather are here. And then what you do with the pieces are in the middle. And this will apply for everyone. So if you want to take turns with this, you'll simply pass the iPad around or your phone around. And that's a very easy way to say to your child, it's my turn. I will build. Then I can hit the arrow, go to the next page. It's your turn. It's your turn. And then they can get their pieces and build. So it's a simple way to do it. Now, if you want to use the multi-step approach, you simply go back to the beginning, get your instructions, and I'm going to reset this building process so that we start new. And you'll come back, you'll get your first page, which is just the page we had earlier where we start building. But if you'll look, down here in this bottom corner, you'll see a face at the bottom. And then just above it, you'll see a picture of more than one person. And you're going to tap on that more than one person. And what you're going to see is an entirely new page come up. And on that page will be how we build together. And you're going to create Join a Party. And it will walk you through what to do. Every device will get a special passcode. You'll type in that passcode and every device will be linked together and every device will be walked through what to do. As you can see, Lego makes sure that it's easy to understand and a very user-friendly app. It also will make it much easier for your child to understand when their turn comes and when someone else's turn comes. Action item for tonight, download that Lego Builder app. If you haven't already done it, definitely do that and explore with it a little bit. Find one of your instruction booklets, scan it, and watch the instructions so that you can get an idea of what is taking place so that you can prepare. Then introduce your child to the Lego Builder app and begin to use your sign language, my turn, your turn, with the Lego Builder app so it's obvious when people get a turn. If you'd like to watch a previous video on turn taking and using our Lego booklet, you can go here and give us a thumbs up if you liked our video. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.